Hello, IC's 11th class. Vandana Srivastav is here to take you in her drama class, The Tempest, Act 3, Scene 2. Dear children, in our previous meet, we have seen the purity and innocence of Ferdinand and Miranda's love. Prosper is also happy as he had only made this meeting expected. And now we proceed on with the Act 3, Scene 2. This scene is full of comedy, as here are the three characters, Caliban, Stefano, and Trinculo, and they are busy in drinking, and Caliban now sees a chance of taking revenge on his master and tells Stefano that he can lead him to Prospero's cell where Stefano can get rid of him. So now let us start. Scene 2. Another part of the island. Enter Caliban, Stefano, and Trinculo. Stefano says, "Tell not me when the butt is out. We will drink water, not a drop before. Therefore bear up and board them. Serve it, monster. Drink to me." So Stefano is saying that do not stop me in drinking. When the butt is out, we will drink water. Means when the wine in the cask is finished, then only we will drink water, not a drop before. Before that, no. We will not drink water. Therefore, bear up, come along, and board them and attack on the cask of wine. Servant monster, drink to your health. Then Trinculo, servant monster, the folly of this island. They say there is but 5 upon this island. We are 3 of them. Trinculo, he had also drunk a lot, and he's saying, servant monster, what fools are there on this island? There seem to be only 5 upon this island, that 5 people are on this island. We are 3 of them. If the other 2 also do not have brain like us, I think the whole island, if they also do not have brains like us, then the whole island will seem to shake. Then Stefano, drink, servant monster, and they are compelling Caliban also to drink. So drink, servant monster, when I bid thee, when I order you. Thy eyes are almost set in thy head. And he, though he had also drunk, Caliban, and he is almost looking up like a drunken fellow. So he says that your eyes are almost fixed in your head. Trinculo, where should they be set else? He were a brave monster indeed if they were set in his tail. So Trinculo is saying, where else his eyes should be? He were a brave monster if his eyes were set in his tail. So they are mocking at him. Then Stefano, my man monster, had drowned his tongues in sack. For my part, the sea cannot drown me. I swam before I could recover the short 35 leagues. So he says that my man monster has lost his power of speech. In sack means in drinking. For my part, as I am concerned, the sea cannot drown me. Because before that, I swam 35 leagues means 3 miles to reach the shore. By this light, I swear by the light of the day, thou shalt be my lieutenant monster or my standard. So you will be my lieutenant or the flag bearer. Then Trinculo says, your lieutenant? If you list, he is no standard. You are saying to make him your lieutenant? As you like. But he is incapable of standing on his legs. Then Stefano says, we will not run, Monsieur Monster. So he says, Stefano says, no. We will not run away from our enemies, Monsieur Monster. Then Trinculo says, nor go neither, but you will lie like dogs and yet say nothing neither. So just they are talking senseless. They have drunk and they are talking senseless. So he is saying, Trinculo is saying that you will not be even able to walk, but you will lie down like dogs and yet say nothing. Then Stefano, Now, looking at Caliban, moon calf, a deformed creature. Once in thy life, speak once in thy life, speak once in your life. If thou best a good moon calf, if you are a good deformed creature. So, as he had drunk first time, so he is unable to speak. But now he speaks. Caliban says, how does thy honor? How is your lordship? He's telling to Stephano, let me lick thy shoe, let me lick your shoes. I will not serve him, he is not valiant. And now pointing to Trinculo, he is saying, I will not serve this man. He is not brave. Then Trinculo, he gets angry. He says, thou liest. You are lying. Most ignorant monster. I am in case to Jessel a constable. I am in this position that I can fight against any policeman. Why thou debauched fish? Why you, immoral fish? Thou was there ever man a coward that had drunk so much sack as I today? Have you seen, can be a man coward who had drunk a lot as I have drunk today? Wilt thou tell a monstrous lie? How can you tell, you monster, such an outrageous lie? Being but half a fish and half a monster. You are half a fish and half a monster. How can you say this? Then Caliban, lo, how he mocks me. Will thou let him, my lord? Now Caliban says to Stephano, look how he mocks at me. Will you allow him to do so? Trinculo, Lord, quoth he. Trinculo, he laughs. When the Caliban says Stephano, Lord, so he says, Lord, said he, that a monster should be such a natural. I wonder if a monster can be such a stupid creature. Then Caliban, hello, again, bite him to death, I prithee. So again Caliban says, look, bite him to death. Listen to him again, bite him to death. Then Stephano, Trinculo, keep a good tongue in your head. Speak politely. If you prove a mutiner, means if you are rebellious, I will hang you on the next tree. Mutineer, the next tree. I will hang you on the next tree. Mutineer means rebellious. The poor monster is my subject, and he shall not suffer indignity, means the insult. He is my subject, and he should not suffer any insult. Caliban, I thank my noble lord. Wilt thou be pleased to hearken once again to the suit I made to thee? I thank you, noble lord. Will you be pleased to listen once again to the suit, means request I made to you? Then Stephano, Mary, will I? Yes, I will. Kneel and repeat it. Kneel down in front of me and repeat your story. I will stand and so shall Trinculo. Then enter Ariel, he is invisible. Caliban says, as I told thee before, I am subject to a tyrant, a sorcerer, that by his cunning hath cheated me of the island. So Caliban says, as I have told you earlier, I am subject to a tyrant. He is a magician, that by his cunningness hath taken away this island from me. Then Ariel, though he is invisible, he is saying, thou liest, you are telling a lie. So as Ariel is invisible, then Caliban thinks that Trinculo has said this. So see the comic scene here. Then Caliban says, thou liest, thou jesting monkey. Thou I would my valiant master would destroy thee, I do not lie. So you are lying, you monkey. I wish my valiant master, means Stephano, would destroy you. I am not telling lie. Then Stephano, Trinculo, if you trouble him any more in this tale, by this hand I will supplant some of your teeth. Stephano also gets angry because he thinks that Trinculo is disturbing us. So he says, Trinculo, if you trouble him in his tale any more, by this hand I swear I will knock out your teeth. Trinculo, he is innocent, he has said nothing. So he says, why? I said nothing. Then Stephano, then and no more. Then listen, be silent and speak nothing. Yes, Caliban, you proceed. Then Caliban, I see, by sorcery he got this island. As I told you, by his magic, my master had got this island. From me he got it. He had taken it from me. If thy greatness will revenge it on him, if you, your highness, if you take revenge of this, for I know thou darest, because I know you can dare to fight with him. But this thing dare not. But this stupid man, Trinculo, he cannot fight with that man. Then Stephano, that's most certain, that's quite. Then Caliban, thou shalt be lord of it, and I will serve thee. Means you will be, then Caliban says to Stephano, you will be the ruler of this island, and I will serve you. Stephano, how now shall this be compassed? Canst thou bring me to the party? How can this all this thing will be accomplished? Compassed means accomplished, done. Can you take me to that person? Party means person. Then Caliban, yeah, my lord, I will yield him the asleep. Yeah, I will hand him over to you when he is asleep. Where thou mayst knock a nail into his bed. Okay, and there you can drive a nail into his head. Then Ariel, again Ariel, being invisible, says, thou liest, thou canst not. You are lying, you cannot do this. The Caliban, what a pied nini is this? Caliban again thinks that this is Trinculo. So he says, what a pied nini is means a spotted, motley, fool, clown. This is. Thou scurvy patch, you rotten fool. I do beseech thy greatness, I do request you. Thy greatness means, to he is pointing to Stephano, that give him blows, give him good beating, and take his bottle from him. Take the bottle from him. When that is gone, he shall drink not but brine. Because when his bottle will be taken away, he will only drink the sea salty water. Brine means sea salty water. For I will not show him, because I am not going to show him where the quick freshes are, where the springs of fresh water are. Then Stephano, Trinculo, run into no further danger. Trinculo, do not invite any trouble. Interrupt the monster one word further. If you are going to interrupt with one word further to this monster, again I swear by this hand, I will turn my mercy out of the doors. I will drive away mercy out of my heart and make a stockfish of thee, and I will make you a dried, salted fish. Trinculo, again, innocent man, he says, what? What did I? I did nothing. I'll go further off. Okay, I'm going further away. Then Stephano, didst thou not say he lied? You only said, na, that Caliban is lying. Then again Ariel says, he's taking the advantage of this, and he says, you are lying. Then Stephano thinks that Trinculo is saying to him, you are lying. Then Stephano, do I so? Oh, am I lying? Take thou that, and take this, and he strikes Trinculo a nice blow. As you like this. Give me the lie another time. Again repeat that I am lying, and I will give you nicely. Then Trinculo, I did not give the lie. I did not say anything. Out of your wits, and hearing too. You have lost your wits. You are confused. A plague on your bottle. May a curse on your bottle. This can sake, this wine, and drinking do. This is everything. This is outcome of too much of drinking. A rain on your monster. A curse on your monster. And the devil take your fingers. May the devil take away your fingers. So children, today till here. In our next meet, we will go further. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you.